Hello dear student, in this video I am going to solve previous year question paper based on LPP, means linear programming problem. So this question was asked in CBSE question paper 2024-25. Solve the following linear programming problem graphically. Minimize z equal to 2x plus y and subjected to the constant 3x plus y greater than or equal to 9, x plus y greater than or equal to 7, x plus 2y greater than or equal to 8, x y greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so basically in this question we have to ask you minimize the objective function which are given z equal to 2x plus y and also given the four conditions. The first one is 3x plus y greater than or equal to 9. Second, x plus y greater than or equal to 7. And third, x plus 2y greater than or equal to 8. And fourth, x plus y greater than or equal to 0. Let us first draw the graph of the four equation by finding the points. Okay, from the equation first we have find the point. So first prepare the table for the equation number 1. Okay, so this is the value of x, this is y, and this is the points. Minimum 2 points are required to plot the graph of any equations. Okay, first take x equal to 0. Take x equal to 0. So the value of y is 9. So the first point is 0, 9. Okay, and second take y equal to 0. Then we will get the value of x equal to 3. So therefore the second point is 3, 0. Okay, and similarly prepare the table for the second equations. This is x, y, points. Okay, first take the value of x is 0, then we will get the value of y 7, and next take y equal to 7, the value of x will get 7. Therefore the point is 0, 7, and the second is 7, 0. Okay, similarly draw the table for the equation number 3. This is x, y, this is the points column. Take the value of x is 0 first, we will get the value of y 4. After taking the value of y is 0, we get the value of x is 8. Therefore the point is 0, 4, and next is 8, 0. Okay, so we have find all the points of all three equations. Now plot the graph of the given points. First draw Cartesian coordinates. This is x coordinate and this is y coordinate. This is the origin and marks a point on both the axes. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And also mark the same point on the y axis. 1, 2, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, after marking this point on both the axes, we have to plot the points of equation number 1. The point is given, equation 1 0, 9 on y axis 0, 9. So this is our point 0, 9. Okay, and next 3, 0 we have to plot on x axis. This is 3, 0. Now draw a straight line which contain these 2 points. Okay, this is the equation of 3x plus y equal to 9. Okay, again plot the second points of second equation. This is 0, 7. Okay, this is 0, 7, and next is 7, 0, 0, 7. Okay, this is 7, 0, and this is 3, 0, and this is our points 0, 7. Okay, the next one is 0, 4 and 8, 0 on third equation. 0, 4, this is 0, 4, and 8, 0. So this is 8, 0. Now draw a straight line which contain both the points. Okay, so this is the equation of this line, equation of 2x plus 2y equal to 8, and this line is equation of x plus y equal to 8. Okay, so we have to plot this the equation, the line of the equation, 3 equations. Okay, after then find the feasible region. Okay, so here let us mark the region for equation number 1, 3x plus y greater than or equal to 9. As we know how to mark the region of the line, which region is considered. Let us put the origin. Okay, 0, 0 in this equation. So 0, 0 not greater than or equal to 9. Okay, so means, so region of this line 3x plus y is just opposite to the origin. Okay, so this region will consider for this line. And next for equation number 2, x plus y, put again 0, 0. So 0, 0 is not satisfied. Again taking the region which contain not origin, means just above the line. Just above the line, this is the line. Okay, and next third is x plus 2y, which also not contain the origin. Okay, so the plane contain just above the line means. Okay, so from these 3 equations we will see that the feasible region which is unbounded, okay, and also plot x greater than 0. So this is x greater than 0 and y greater than 0. So we have seen that this is our feasible region which is not common in all the given constant, okay, subjected to the constant is not bounded, this is unbounded, okay. So as we know that how to check maximum and minimum in bounded if the region are unbounded. So let us take the corner point. Corner point here our objective function z equal to 2x plus y. So there are 4 corner points in unbounded region. This is first, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth. Okay. So one is 0, 9. And here is 8, 0. Let's suppose this is point A, this is B, and this is a C, and this is D. Okay. So the point B will obtain after solving equation, this line equation and this line equation. Okay. So this is equation. The equation of this line is 3x plus y equal to 9, and this is x plus y equal to 8. Now solving, minus 1 cancel. Okay, so this is x plus y equal to 7. So this is 2 and 2x equal to 2. 2 cancel, x equal to 1. Okay, now find the value of y. So y equal to 6. Okay, so this point of intersection is, the point of intersection is 1 comma 6. So write here 1 comma 6, and similarly we will obtain the next intersection point after solving this equation is x plus 2y equal to 8, and this equation is x plus y equal to 7. Okay, cancel. This is y equal to 1, then y equal to 1, and x equal to 6. So intersection point of point C is 6 comma 1. Okay, so this is 6 comma 1. Now find the value of z of our objective function. So 0 comma 9 is 9, and 8 comma 0 16, 1 comma 6 2 plus 6 8, and 6 comma 1 13. Okay, so the minimum value of the objective function is 8. Okay, so this will be the answer if the region is bounded, but here the region is not bounded. So we have to plot the equation, okay, our objective function by taking, okay, by taking 2x plus y less than or equal to 8. Okay, now make an equation by taking this minimum value, and we have to draw the graph. Okay, if the graph is not common in the feasible region, then this point 6 1 comma 6 will be the minimum value. Okay, so let us plot the graph of this equation. Okay, so taking x equal to 0, we will get y equal to 8, and after taking y equal to 0, we will get x equal to 4. Okay, so 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 8. Okay, so plot the line of this point 0 comma 8, this is 0 comma 8, and next is 4 comma 0, so this is 4 comma 0. Okay, so this is the equation of this inequation means 2x plus y less than or equal to x. We have to plot the line graph of this equation 2x plus y equal to x. We will see that there is no point common in the feasible region. Okay, so therefore the point 1 comma 6 is the minimum value. Okay, means 8 is the minimum value of this objective function. Okay, so this is the solution of question given. We have to ask in previous year 2024-25. Okay.